Hello friends, this is my breakfast for today, and as usual I've showed you this before. I like to use a lot of oats. My wife made these muffins for me. They're made of oats, and it has walnuts in it today as well, which is very healthy, very nutritious. I'm gonna just break this one just like that so you could see the inside. This camera doesn't pick up close shots too well, so I'll kind of keep it here for you to see. But it's very soft. You can see a big chunk of a walnut there. Delicious. This one I will cut. Right? So as usual, my breakfast in the morning, sometimes I skip breakfast, which may not be a good thing, but when I do eat breakfast, I use some natural peanut butter. In this case, I'll just put that on here. And with natural peanut butter, you get a lot of oil, so I tend to drain the oil a bit. That's natural oil, by the way, not added oil or hydrogenated oil or anything like that. That's just oil from the peanut. So with that, I'm good right there. Some videos I will show you me adding a syrup or jam, but that's really once in a while. I really try to keep away from sugar. Sugar is no good. And then I add turmeric, but I just noticed I picked up curry powder. So silly. So I need to go and get my turmeric powder. So hold a second. Curry powder is very similar in its look to curry powder. However, turmeric it's like more of a yellow look. Curry is more of, has a little olive tone to it. This is turmeric powder, and I'm just going to pour that on here. Be nice to use a spoon or whatever, but this is not how I normally do it, so I'm showing you how I normally do it. With turmeric, you have a lot of anti-cancer properties. You can look it up. I'm not a medical professional, so that's my disclaimer. And I add black pepper to it for absorption. If you just take turmeric just like that, then it won't absorb as well as if you put black pepper. I believe lime juice also does the same thing, but you can look it up, do your own research, get the advice of your medical professional about this. So this is my breakfast today. Simply a nice muffin with turmeric, black pepper and peanut butter. Weird combination. What do you think? Tastes very good to me. In fact, I'm going to take a piece right now. Really good. And with this, you could go for miles. And here with oats, just energy for days. Try it. Don't use bread and flour and that type of thing, because those things will just slow you down. Tell me in the comments what you think. This is my breakfast.